Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fiber mascaras, exploring 5 top-rated options that promise to give your lashes incredible volume, length, and definition. Fiber mascaras have become a go-to choice for those who want a fuller, more dramatic lash look without needing falsies. We'll break down each mascara's key features, benefits, usability, and durability to help you find the perfect fit for your lash goals. Let's get started and find out which fiber mascara is best for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline Fiber Mascara. The Maybelline Fiber Mascara is known for its long-lasting formula and innovative fiber technology that enhances lash length and volume. This mascara offers the ideal solution for those seeking dramatic, false lash effect without any hassle. Designed to stay put throughout the day, Maybelline's Fiber Mascara provides standout lashes for any occasion. Key features: this fiber mascara is enriched with tiny fibers that bond with your lashes to create an extended, voluminous effect. The formula is smudge-proof, clump-free, and easy to layer, letting you build up the volume for a bold look. The mascara wand is designed to separate and coat each lash evenly, ensuring optimal coverage. Benefits and usage: the fibers in this mascara deliver a noticeable boost in both length and thickness, making it an excellent choice for a night out or any time you want a more dramatic look. To apply, start at the base of your lashes and wiggle the brush up to the tips, adding layers as desired for a fuller appearance. Usability: with its specially designed brush and smooth application, this mascara is user-friendly for both makeup beginners and pros. The formula is buildable, allowing you to add layers without clumping or flaking, so you can easily achieve a full, eye-catching effect. Durability: Maybelline's Fiber Mascara is long-lasting and smudge-resistant, making it suitable for all-day wear. It holds up well even in humid conditions, so you can count on it to keep your lashes looking thick and defined for hours. Removal is also easy, requiring just a gentle makeup remover. In the second spot, we have Wet n Wild Fiber Mascara. The Wet n Wild Fiber Mascara offers an affordable yet effective option for anyone looking to amp up their lash game. Known for its lightweight, lash-enhancing formula, this mascara uses tiny fibers to add length and fullness without weighing down your lashes. Key features: Wet n Wild's Fiber Mascara includes a unique formula with microfibers that adhere to your lashes, creating an extended look without clumping. The mascara wand is tapered to ensure precise application, making it easier to reach smaller lashes at the inner corners. It's a great option for those who want impressive results on a budget. Benefits and usage: this mascara provides a natural-looking enhancement to your lashes, making it ideal for everyday wear. It adds a subtle boost in length and volume without overwhelming your lashes, so you can wear it comfortably all day. To apply, use gentle strokes from the base to the tips of your lashes, adding layers as needed for more impact. Usability: Wet n Wild's applicator is user-friendly, providing control and precision even on smaller lashes. Its lightweight formula makes it suitable for daily wear, as it won't cause discomfort or irritation, even for those with sensitive eyes. Durability: despite its affordable price, Wet n Wild's Fiber Mascara is surprisingly durable, holding up well through long hours of wear. While it's not waterproof, it resists smudging and flaking, so you can rely on it for a full day at work or a casual evening out. Coming in at number 3 is the COVERGIRL Fiber Mascara. The COVERGIRL Fiber Mascara is a popular choice for its bold, lash-boosting formula that delivers a noticeable lift and length. This mascara is designed for those who want a false lash effect with minimal effort, making it perfect for a night out or any time you want to make a statement with your lashes. Key features: COVERGIRL's Fiber Mascara combines ultrafine fibers with a high-impact formula to create maximum volume and length. The brush is shaped to coat every lash evenly, ensuring a clump-free application that enhances your lash's natural shape. It's also designed to be resistant to smudging and flaking. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for creating a high-drama look, as it enhances both the length and thickness of your lashes. The formula is buildable, allowing you to customize your lash volume depending on the look you're going for. To apply, start at the lash line and sweep the wand upward, layering until you achieve your desired effect. Usability: the unique brush design makes application easy and precise, ensuring that each lash is evenly coated. COVERGIRL's Fiber Mascara is also quick-drying, which reduces the chance of smudging during application, making it a great option for both beginners and seasoned users. Durability: this mascara offers all-day wear without smudging or flaking, providing impressive longevity even in humid conditions. It's a reliable choice for extended wear, ensuring your lashes stay bold and beautiful without the need for touch-ups. Taking our fourth spot is L'Oréal Paris Fiber Mascara. The L'Oréal Paris Fiber Mascara is designed to give you intense length and volume with just a few swipes. This mascara has a reputation for delivering a long-lasting, full lash effect that rivals high-end brands, making it a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Key features: L'Oréal's Fiber Mascara includes fibers that bond to each lash, creating a visibly extended look. The formula is enriched with conditioning ingredients, ensuring your lashes stay soft and flexible all day. The unique brush is designed to capture even the smallest lashes, giving you complete coverage and a natural-looking lift. Benefits and usage: this fiber mascara provides a noticeable boost in both length and volume, making it perfect for creating a bold, dramatic look. The conditioning formula also keeps your lashes looking healthy, even with regular use. For best results, start at the roots and use upward strokes to coat each lash evenly. Usability: L'Oréal Paris Fiber Mascara is designed to be easy to use, with a brush that allows for precise application on both top and bottom lashes. The buildable formula lets you layer on as much volume as you like without causing clumps or flaking, so you can tailor the look to your preference. Durability: this mascara is designed for long wear, with a smudge-proof formula that resists humidity and sweat. It holds up well throughout the day, so you don't need to worry about reapplying or dealing with flakes. Removal is also easy, requiring only a gentle makeup remover to wash away. And finally, at number 5, we have LORAC Pro Fiber Mascara. The LORAC Pro Fiber Mascara is a high-performance mascara that combines luxurious formula with a fiber-rich composition for maximum volume and length. This mascara is well loved for its intense lash-enhancing properties, making it a top choice for those seeking a dramatic, eye-catching look. Key features: LORAC's Fiber Mascara features a specially formulated blend that includes ultra-lightweight fibers for extra length and volume. The wand has a unique, hourglass shape that captures and coats each lash evenly, ensuring full coverage. The mascara is also infused with nourishing ingredients to keep lashes feeling soft and healthy. Benefits and usage: this mascara provides a full lash effect that's perfect for a night out or any time you want an impactful look. The ultra-lightweight fibers don't weigh down lashes, allowing for a comfortable, all-day wear. To use, apply from the base to the tips, building layers as desired for a dramatic finish. Usability: the hourglass-shaped brush makes application easy, helping you reach every lash without clumping or flaking. The smooth, buildable formula allows for easy layering, making it suitable for both natural and bold lash looks depending on your preference. Durability: LORAC Pro Fiber Mascara is designed to last, with a long-wear formula that resists smudging, flaking, and humidity. It holds up well for extended wear, ensuring your lashes remain bold and beautiful for hours. While it's long-lasting, removal is gentle and requires just a basic makeup remover. Thank you for tuning in. We hope our review of the best fiber mascaras has helped you find the right match for your lash needs. Fiber mascaras are an amazing way to achieve long, full lashes without the hassle of falsies. From budget-friendly options to luxury picks, each of these products has something unique to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product reviews and beauty tips. Let us know in the comments which mascara you're excited to try. See you in the next video.